So this question was asked in the American Express interview, and the chances are very high that you might fail to guess the output of this program if you are not aware of Java initialization order. Okay, so let's quickly run through the program and try to figure out what will be its output. So there is a class called init order. Inside that we have a static block, then we have an instance initializer block, and at the last we have constructor, and we have print statement inside each and every block and constructor. There is a different class called test, inside which I want to create two different objects of init order. The question is in what sequence this number will get printed. तो चलो देखते हैं इस प्रोग्राम का आउटपुट क्या रहने वाला है. Okay, first one is the static block. Okay, so static block gets executed when a class gets loaded into the memory, so it will always get executed only once. Okay, the second block we have is the instance initialization block. This block always gets executed when you want to create or when you attempt to create the object, right? But it gets executed just before the constructor. And the last one is the constructor, which gets executed when you try to create the object using constructor, right? So the output of this program would be 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. Why? Because first time it will print 1, right? When class gets loaded into the memory, static block gets executed. Then we are trying to create the object of init order, which is I1. So as soon as this particular statement gets executed, this block will get executed, and then constructor code will get executed. So it will print 2 and 3. Similarly, when we try to create the another object I2, it will again print 2 and 3 in the same sequence. So this is how Java initialization order works. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.